Alright guys, so I'm going to show you how to set up your PS5 Pro. Now first, just for reference, the PS logo is right there. I would recommend first setting up the stand. I'll show you for horizontals, turn it over. Go and grab the two stand pieces. Right here. Then place them in the holes right here. For vertical, you would need a different stand. Okay, now next for the cables, go and grab the power adapter, the one with the plug. Now for the side that goes into the console, you can put it either way. It's going to plug in right here. Go and plug it in. Also the power. Then go and grab the HDMI. They're both the same, doesn't matter which side. This will be on the back right here. Facing this way, just plug it in. Put the other side into the TV. Double check, make sure they're plugged in. Now for the power, press the button right here. You'll now see the screen with the controller. Go and grab the USB-C. Put one in the front of your PS5. Right here. The other side goes in your DualSense. Go press the PS logo. You may have to do it 2 times. This is optional, but you can unplug your cable. Then go select your language, select effects. For me it's asking about the screen reader, but it's going to turn it off. Go and connect to Wi-Fi. Just enter in your password, press done. Then press OK. Adjust the display area, you probably don't have to change this. Just going to go to default, press OK. To adjust the HDR, just make sure the logo is barely visible. Press up and down. Same thing. One more time. Power options and rest mode, I'm going to go up optimized. Check off and continue for the terms of service. Then apply the system software update. Now it's going to restart. Installing the update. Go and press the PS button. Go and update your controller. Now for the sign-in, I would recommend scanning the QR code. Quickest way to do it. Go and press sign in. If you want to require a password for more stuff. Console share and offline play, I would press enable. Well, I actually have to disable my other PS5 first. Then if you want to transfer your data from another console, but I'll do this after, going to skip it. And yeah, welcome to PS5. Alright guys, thanks for watching, hope this helped out.